Yo, what up? Yo, welcome to Project Peso on a Thursday. It's the 21st of May, 2026. Yo, let's begin. We back at 5,900. We break into 5,800 barrier for the past 2 days, and we are 0.46%. How'd you love that, right? But it's some mixed results for us in general because our total portfolio is still at 1.2 million. That's 1,290,563. And guess what? Unfortunately, we have not beaten the index today as we are down 0.32% compared to the index of point where it's up 0.46%. And our unrealized loss has just skyrocketed to 50K. 50K, man. Yeah, we got some realized profit here from GT Cap. I'm just not going to show you updating it on the First Metro Sec uh, profit tracker. We also received around 8 pesos dividend from RFM. That was yesterday after we recorded the video. All right. Dry powder, we still got around 8,500. We did some moves. Nevertheless, we're going to talk about that. So, once again, it's Project Peso. We're doing the autopsy, our daily autopsy of the Blackout Ledger while following the Alpha Protocol. All right, let's begin. You know how it is. Let's look at the index. Top gainers, BPI on the news of around 28% more dividend yield. I think that was around 2.85 compared to 2.05 last year. Wow, BPI. I think I'm not sure. Maybe I should have gotten in. We should have gotten in while it was still down, but it's all good. It's all good. How about Ayala Corp up 2% today, now at 430. So most probably we won't be looking to buy that yet. Who else we got? Oh, JFC up 1.35. Oh, Monday down 3.66. How much is Monday now? Okay, 6.84. You know, if I got the extra dodo, I'm a buy this definitely, clearly. But not today and not tomorrow. And including yesterday, this is more or less 7 to 8% down for ASIN. 8% down. How much is ASIN today? 3.01. Okay, was able to bounce back. I think it even touched around 2.9 something earlier, if I'm not mistaken. So it bounced back to the 3 peso level, and that's good. That's good. And hopefully, once we have some more dodo that we can spend, that we can invest, it will go down to 2.6. You know what I'm saying? And yo, I'm telling you, ICT earlier, man, he was like going Super Saiyan on the PSE, um, reaching up to 620 pesos, if I'm not mistaken. I've been checking out ICT earlier, man. So let's check out our portfolio. You know, we have some trades, but let's check out a portfolio first. Let's check out ICT, man. I'm just excited. Earlier, this reached 50,000 unrealized profit and more or less plus 20% on the gains and the percentage. Now, ICT is at 817. We have an average cost of around 682. How'd you love that, man? ICT, baby. Yeah, you know, if not for ICT, I think um, our portfolios dead. I won't be this much excited. But you know what? Even um, we have a loss of more or less 50K. We did some moves, and we're hoping in the next couple of weeks, market or stocks will bounce back, and we can do the string trades just like we did with GT Cap. We only made right around 116 pesos with GT Cap, but still, we freed up some some money and then we reinvested it earlier. I think we reinvested it in Keeper. I'm not so sure. Uh, so these are the the ones that are dragging our portfolio. ASIN, check it out. From 3.25 now down 3.01, from four digits around 7K negative, now back to 11K. And Metro Bank, 63 pesos. You know what? I would love to buy Metro Bank at this price. If only I have the extra money. You know what? If I'll be getting my salary soon, I would be buying a lot of stocks. Uh, so many discounted stocks. The PSE right now, just waiting for the bounce. That could happen in the next week or the next couple of weeks. All right, so let's check out our move for today. Moves, that is, just like what I said. GT cap, we made right around 116 pesos. We bought it right around 420, 430, 440. I'm not so sure. That was last week or just within this week. I think just within this week, and we made 116 pesos. But the main goal was to sell it in order to rotate, and we bought Keeper for around 1.91. Well, Keeper earlier went down as low as 1.88. We weren't able to time that, but 1.91 is a good number. I think so. So once it bounces, all these moves that we did, hopefully by next week, or let's say tomorrow's a Friday. You know what? Let me tell you something. For the last 3 Fridays or even 4 Fridays, Friday in April or May, it's quite the opposite of what's happening in the U.S. market. In the U.S. market, when it comes to their Friday, which is the last trading day for their week, most stocks are being sold. Yep, yep, that's a fact. That's a fact. The number of stocks being sold on a Friday is much higher in the U.S. stock market. However, for the past 2 months here in the PSC, it's quite different. It is the opposite. Every Friday, we are always up, and I don't know why that is the case because come Monday, most of the time it's down. So let's see what will happen. So hopefully by tomorrow, if if one or two or three of our stocks will go up 2 to 5%, definitely I'm closing one of them in order to rotate on on the undervalued ones, like very, very cheap ones. You know, that's how we do it. Just keeping it simple. Once again, this Project Peso, and that should be it for today on a Thursday. I appreciate your time and see you tomorrow.